Hey guys, we made it out to the Ida auction house. We're going to walk around and do a little Sneaka Peeka. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhhh. What do we got? What are we looking at, fellers? Let's go look around. Look at this Toro recycler. This one looks like it's not in too bad a shape. We're going to come back to that and we'll pull it over, see if it'll fire off. We got a Ford back there with a snowplow on it. Ford GT75. Who can tell me about that in the comments? What do you guys know about it? What's under the hood, Rich? I don't know. What is under the hood? Let's see if we can lift it up real easy. Ooh, what is it? Look at that. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? Who can tell me about this? But it does have a snowplow. I wonder if I'd say that's the weights for it in that handy dandy wagon. Go on there so you can push that snow. That'd make a nice wall piece. Hang up in the garage. Firestone. Got some bicycles. Got a nice well pump there. There we go. What is this right here? Check this out, guys. This is when your kid wants to be just like you. Yeah, Dad. We might come back to that one. We had to skip over that water. Seems like it always rains. So now I can go on this side, see what we got. Always getting rain out here at the Ida auction house. Table saw, bird cage. There's a nice clean mop bucket. Looks like that ain't really been used. Let's see if we can pop up in this row. Oh, some more water coming up in our way. What is this? Oh, a nice light stand that comes in a handy dandy case. There we go. Here's another Toro. And it comes with the charger. Nice. A lot of times you don't get them chargers. So key start. Well, let's just go ahead and try it out. Nope, nothing. We got nothing. Alright, while we're here, let's pull it over. Well, she starts and runs. So charge up the battery, get a new battery. Still got this on it. Why do people still leave these things on there? I don't know. Interesting. There's a scale in there. Trailer. Down to earth. I wonder if this goes to that Ford sitting over there. Wonder why it's way over here and not with the tractor. Gonna make you buy it all separate? It's not going with this one. There we go. Who can tell me what engine that is? Boat motor. There's a electric boat motor. What else do we got, Rich? Oh, milk can. Always nice. Antique. Got some fishing rods and a tackle box. Got a bunch of tools up here. Man, I tell you what, you can always find some kind of tool. Look at this little Black & Decker chainsaw here. Battery operated. Some kind of, probably the charger with it. At least that one, maybe. What else we got here? Any good? Craftsman. Black & Decker. Got a few good finds around here. Here is this Husky sitting here. Wonder if that goes on the Husky or not. What was in this thing? Oh, there we go. A opposing twin. I always like these motors. They always seem to be good and strong. What else we got back here? Some more Black & Decker. So this is where our electronics are going. This is what happens to them. So we spend all that money for them and then they end up at the auction. Alright, we're working our way back over here. There's a CD collection. Does anybody still have CDs out there? What you got in here? There's face shields. Made in China. It's one way to make some money. Made in China. A sandwich maker. So put these two things together. Put your bread in there and stuff in there. Whatever you want on your bread. And then you put it over the campfire. See if the other half, is this the other half to it? Nope, that's not the other half. I don't see the other half. This one goes to that. So here we go. That probably goes on there. So we got that one for the campfire. But where's the other half of the sandwich maker? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, and then what is this thing here? So this homemade, let me back up so we can get it all in the picture here. Looks like a homemade shelter to go around this lawnmower. Let's walk around to the side and see what we got going on. Made out of plywood, got chains on the tires. Interesting. That's one way to do it. Let's get back here and see if we can get a full-size shot. Almost looks like an Amish buggy, right? So in the wintertime, well, that's gonna have to replace that because you'll get cold in there. Here we are. We can be inside there and we can repair that seat, right? Got a heater. Look at that. There you go. Now where's that heater go? It goes there, runs off the battery. Nice. That could be a little invention right there. Keep you warm in the wintertime while you're plowing the snow. That's how it works right there. Alright, where are we at? Let's go see about this Toro. We're going to see if it'll fire over. So which one do you guys like better? This one here that's not battery operated, key start, or that one up there that was key start? Which one would be a better buy? This one has a bag. There was no bag with that one. This one might look a little better, a little cleaner. Not down there though. You know guys, all you have to do is take a little garden hose and spray that off. Let's see if it will fire over. Make sure nothing's in the way. I see some smoke coming out of it. No, that thing's hard to pull too. So I'm going to pull it off camera for a second. See if I can crank it over. Alright, we're going to try to pull it over here. I found something to prop my camera up on. We'll see if we can pull it over. Some kind of smoke coming out of it. This is a Tecumseh engine. We'll see if we can hit the primer, see if that helps out. And that one did not start. Was there any gas in it at all? We don't know. Yeah, there's gas in it. And it doesn't smell like fresh gas. So it's missing the cover that goes over top of that. So even though this one has a bag with it, it doesn't start. It has a Tecumseh engine. And let's go check that other one out again. Alright, so here we are. So this one has that Briggs & Stratton 675 190cc, but no bag for it. But it did start, has key start, and the battery, if you guys didn't know, so the battery form is underneath here. That's where the battery is. And the battery is dead. So this one would probably be the better buy for me. What would you guys want to buy? Alright, so let me know which one you guys want to buy while we're checking out this steel. What model number is this? Look, it must have some lights on it, LED lights up here. It's a little toy for your kids. There's a switch of some kind. So, as far as I can see, it's not on, not working. Could be a battery thing. Does this move or not? I don't know. Alright. So you got as far as it goes out. It doesn't really go out just for show. Can you pull the gas cap off? No. And it's not working, so it needs some kind of battery in it. I'd say the batteries go right here, which probably isn't any in it. But that's a cute little toy. Cute little toy. I've never seen one before. So if you guys seen one of these, let me know. So this is our Sneaka Peek at the Ida auction. There you go, guys. The Sneaka Peek at the Ida auction house. Leave your questions and comments below. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. And we'll see you at the auction.